Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change ear tips for your earbuds TinHiFi T3 Plus. And right here we have the regular silicone ear tips and the blue one. And these blue foam ear tips provide better comfort and noise isolation, so I'm going to replace my ear tips on the blue one. But it's up to you. I recommend it to use them at least one time and check. Maybe you will like it. So we need to remove the old ear tips firstly. So let's do this. It's pretty easy, so don't worry about it. Here we go, and the right one. Now you need to select new ear tip size, but as I said to you that I will use this blue one, but you can use a silicone. And now let's attach them. And the right one. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.